Imagine waking up every morning with complete control over your emotions. No anger, no stress, just a clear, unshakable mind. Sounds impossible? The Stoics believed it was not only possible, but essential for a good life. But in today's chaotic world, how can we apply their wisdom? In this video, we'll explore the one powerful Stoic rule that can help you master your mind and stop stressing over things beyond your control. Let's dive in. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy founded in Athens, later popularized by Roman thinkers like Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius. The core idea is that you can't control what happens to you, but you can control how you react to it. Epictetus, a former slave turned philosopher, once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." This brings us to the golden rule of Stoicism. Control what you can. Let go of what you can't. The dichotomy of control is the backbone of Stoicism. It divides life into two categories. 1. Things within your control. Your thoughts, actions, choices, and attitudes. 2. Things outside your control. Other people's opinions, the past, the weather, politics, or even whether the train arrives on time. Seneca wisely wrote, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Most of our stress comes from worrying about things outside our control. But what if we stopped? What if, instead, we focused only on what we could change? Let's make this practical. Here's how you can apply the Stoic rule starting today. Mental shift. Whenever something stresses you, ask yourself, is this within my control? If not, let it go. Journaling. Marcus Aurelius kept a journal, reflecting on his thoughts. Try writing down your worries and separating them into things you can or can't control. Negative visualization. Stoics practiced imagining the worst-case scenario to prepare for adversity, making them more resilient. Mindful action. Focus on what you can do right now rather than obsessing over what might happen. History is full of people who unknowingly practiced Stoicism. Nelson Mandela endured 27 years in prison, but remained mentally strong by controlling his response. Viktor Frankl, a Holocaust survivor, found purpose in suffering by choosing how he perceived his situation. Even in business, leaders like Tim Ferriss use Stoic principles to stay focused under pressure. Stress and anxiety thrive when we try to control the uncontrollable. These Stoics master the art of letting go and focusing on what truly matters, their thoughts, actions, and virtues. So, next time you find yourself stressing over a bad day, an argument, or even the weather, pause. Ask yourself, is this within my control? If not, release it. If you found value in this video, consider subscribing to Eudaimonia Hub for more insights on Stoicism, mindset, and self-mastery. And if you're ready to take control of your life, leave a comment below. What's one thing you'll stop stressing over today? Thanks for watching. And remember, your mind is the only thing truly within your control. See you in the next one.